Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
Today we're going to create and combine forms in BookingKoala. Go to Settings, then Industries. Next, we're going to the Home Cleaning, then we're going to hover over the settings. So I am going to create another form for other type of service. Click the Add Combine form. Click the Add New form. You will have to choose the kind of forms that you want to add. So each of the form has its own features that you can only use a specific one that will fit your desired result. I'm going to use Form 4 because, as you can see under the description here, this form gives codes based on a unit structure perfect for industries such as office cleanings and pool cleanings and so on. So, on this video, we're going to create a calculator based on the area of the property. Click Next. We are now on the form settings. So let's just scroll down. Then here, check the frequency. Choose the service category and variable. Click Save. Go to Form Listing. Now we have two forms. Let's customize the Form 4. We're going to add pricing parameters for our Form 4. So let's go to Form 4 Pricing Parameter. Add New. Add a name. Then add new variable category. Click Save. Here, you can add a desired price that you want. So I'll add 40 cents as my price. Then here you can also add a time that you want. Click Yes. Uncheck the service category that you don't want to include in your Form 4. Then save. Next, we're going to the Form 4 service category. So, here, you are free to choose which category you want to display in the form. You can remove a category, or you can just edit its display to admin, only so that this will not show in our Form 4. After that, let's go back to the Add Combine form. Go to Settings. Click Add/Combine form. So I'm just going to put my title because there's no option for the title here. Next, enter your option 1. And choose which form you want to open with this option. Same goes with the option 2. And click Save. Now we have successfully combined our forms, so let's see the changes. And that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. If you have any questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. That's all. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.